How to insert a page number in your Google document, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So first of all, you need to open the Google document. I already have a document prepared which is spread over the 2 pages. Now once my document is ready, I want to insert the page numbering. As you must be aware that the page numbering is inserted in the headers and footers, so you need to decide first that whether you want to insert the page number in your header area, or if you want to insert that in your bottom of the page, which means that on the footer option. So once you've decided that, the method is pretty simple. Inserting page number within the Google Documents is extremely easy. You need to just click this insert option, and from the drop down menu, once you hover over the page number, you will have this 4 options available for the page numbering. The first option is inserting a page number in the header towards the right side or right line, and the other option is inserting the page number on the bottom right, meaning by in the footer area. And the other 2 options are, if your document is such that you don't want to start the page numbering from the page 1, rather you want to start it from page 2, as this icon also shows that once you will click this, your page numbering will start not from the page 1, rather from the page 2. As you can see that my page 2 is showing page 1 because it is right now considering this as a title page. But if your document is like mine, which means that you want to start the page numbering from the page 1, then you need to click this option and you will have the page numbering starting from your page 1, that is on the top right hand side in the header area. And if you want to insert it on the footer area, you just need to click that and it will move to the footer area. And if you want to align this, you can simply click the center align for the page numbering to go to the center, and left align for the page numbering to go to the bottom left hand side of the page. So that's how easy it is to insert the page numbering in your Google Documents. If you have any questions about the inserting a page number, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer that, and if it's not possible to answer that in the comments, I'll try to make a video on that. Anyways, thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.